Hello everyone. This is T. Hari Prasad. Climate Action Project 2020. Make 2020 the year of climate action. The clear difference between climate and weather. Weather refers to the part of climate which changes frequently, whereas climate refers to many parts of weather which does not change frequently. Clear definition for climate. The weather conditions prevailing in an area in general or long period of time. Disturbances due to climate. Drought due to heavy sun rays falling on the earth's surface leads to shortage of trees and water. Flood causes soil erosion and earthquake where the buildings and trees break down easily. Save trees. Uses of climate change. Sunlight and rain helps the trees grow, whereas rainy climate will give us water for purpose like drinking, washing, etc. Thank you.
Climate Action Project by Deeksha Kannabirun. One of the major issues associated with global warming is none other than the change in Earth's temperature. It is a problem that has been pre-existing for the past few decades. Climate. Climate is that the average weather in an exceeding place over the past few years, whereas weather could be the modifications or alterations in the matter of mere hours. Weather is basically the way that the atmosphere is behaving, mainly with respect to its effects upon life and human activities. At the end of our 21st century, the Asian population will grow by 4.5 billion and the world's population will grow by 10 billion. Humanity has taken a lot from Earth, but what have we returned? We returned 2.12 billion tons of waste each year, 5 trillion of plastic bags. As a result, over 400 billion tons of ice has melted and only 17% of the mammals are still alive. Global warming refers to the Earth's rising surface temperature, while climatic change includes warming and side effects like melting glaciers, heavy rainstorms, frequent drought. Let's save our Earth. Thank you.
Hello all, I'm Aradhana from class 6A from Dr. Dasaradan International School. Welcome to all present here. Today the topic is the climate action. I well know that you all have a lot of questions about the topic. Well, come on, let's go on. Hurry up. The things which I'm going to tell about. Difference between weather and climate, definition of weather, definition of climate, global warming, climate change, greenhouse effect, ozone depletion, global dimming, acid rain. First, difference between weather and climate. Weather occurs in the place within a short period, and climate takes place over a long period of time. Weather is what you get on daily basis. Climate is what you expect over a long time. Weather may involve one condition of the atmosphere. Climate includes all the conditions of the atmosphere such as temperature, wind, humidity, cloud, and etc. Weather. Definition of weather. The state of the atmosphere at a particular place and time as regards heats, cloudiness, dryness, sunshine, wind, rain, and etc. Climate. Definition of climate. The weather conditions prevailing in an area general or over a long period is called as climate. Global warming. Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's climate system observed since the pre-industrial period between 1850 and 19,000 due to the human activities, primarily fossil fuels burning, which increases heat trapping greenhouse gas levels in Earth's atmosphere. Climate change. A climate change in global or regional climate patterns, in particular a change apparent from the mid to late 20th century onwards, and attribute largely to the increased level of atmospheric carbon dioxide produced by the use of fossil fuels, is called as the greenhouse effect. When the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increases, it leads to the phenomenon of greenhouse effect, by which the global temperature rises significantly. Ozone depletion. The main topic is ozone depletion. Ozone depletion is a major environmental problem because it increases the amount of ultraviolet UV radiations that reaches the Earth's surface, which increases the rate of skin cancers, eye cataracts, and genetic and immune system damage. Acid rain. Acid rain is a kind of chemical leprosy that is eaten into the face of North America and Europe. We cannot see the acid rain, but we can see its signature, an indicator in the haze pattern that it leaves on monuments and forests. My kind thanks for all watching this. Hope you all like this. Thank you.